WestOz Trades are your friends in Aircon. We are a process-driven local company who pride ourselves on high-level communication, integrity and trade knowledge with a smile. WestOz Trades offers a full fleet of fully stocked vehicles with fully qualified, insured and experienced technicians ready to provide you with the service you deserve. We are specialists in residential air conditioning installation, service and repairs. WestOz Trades offers complete start-to-finish reverse cycle ducted and evaporative air conditioning installations fully customised to your needs. WestOz Trades are catered to the property management sector and provide high-level services all over Perth and surrounding suburbs. Our team also provides commercial asset maintenance, installation and breakdown works on all commercial air conditioning. With innovative solutions, WestOz Trades are your friends in Aircon.